Look, first off, someone has spotted that a feature called Watch Unlock is not exclusive to the Pixel Watch, and it will trickle down to the Galaxy Watch 6 and possibly to the 4 and 5, with One UI 5 and Wear OS 4 rolling out as we speak. This feature will make it possible to unlock your phone via your Galaxy Watch in case the biometric authentication fails. As long as your watch is on your wrist, unlocked, it is connected and nearby, all you need to do is to swipe up your lock screen on your phone to unlock it. A dedicated Galaxy Watch 6 user has published his or her battery life results after using the Galaxy Watch 6 for 3 weeks, including 10 charging cycles, and that, my friends, is really commendable, including settings used and a conclusion as to what we can expect. Now, we all know settings do vary depending on your personal usage. However, this will really give us a real-life insight versus marketing. Number one, please let me know in the comment section below if your battery life for your Galaxy Watch 6 has increased since day one of usage. Number two, a personal request from me to you. Please like this video, and why not consider subscribing if you enjoy my content. Thank you so much. We have to give credit where credit is due. As you can see, settings are coming up here and are as follows. And they are so detailed that we should use this as a template moving forward. Now, another interesting aspect of this finding is this person frequently exercises and is using GPS tracking for various activities, in total about 3 to 4 hours for each charging cycle. One thing he or she did notice, which we all know by now, is the Google Play services taking up so much battery juice. After turning off the Google Assistant, that drainage went away and it seems to be fixed by simply turning it off. Please try this at home and report back if possible if this fixed your battery drainage as well. The conclusion is that we can expect around 50 hours of battery life if you would apply those settings shown here before, but anything above would be stretching it really enormously. I hope I earned your subscription today, and a big shout out to this person who is so dedicated and collected all the data for the community at large. This was a brief overview. Thank you for watching. I miss you already. Peace out.